Hey everyone, thank you for joining me. So as you guys can see, the knife is already disassembled and I did complete the custom scales. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of me customizing the scales. Honestly, I don't know what happened, but I figured I could at least assemble the knife and talk a little bit about it once it's assembled. So let's just get right into it and assemble this thing. Alright, so here it is all assembled. And I gotta say, it looks a lot more classy than the original scales. And I have those right next to me right here. They're nothing special. They're layered G10 with some texturing on it, which is pretty cool, but it just surprised me because of the price point on this knife. I believe it's almost $500 for this thing. So while I was working on it, I was being very careful not to damage anything else on this knife because yeah, that's a pretty penny for this thing, and it's understandable. I mean, we have Magna cut steel, beautifully stonewashed. This is a Terzuola design, so very well known in the knife community. He does beautiful work. You do have a milled titanium clip, which is beautifully done. It's not deep carry, but it's not an issue for me. You do have a lanyard hole, and you do have a inlaid mother of pearl push button here. See if the camera can pick it up. It's not doing it justice, but beautifully done. Really accents and pops against the black bolsters. These are all aluminum. Very nicely milled. Very high precision from ProTech. And again, I'm trying to be very careful with this knife. You do have a little ramp here with some jimping. And I gotta say, all around, this thing is gorgeous. I think it's a really, really beautiful knife. And again, I've said it before, but this is one of the reasons why I really love doing what I'm doing. I get to handle some knives that I never even thought I'd be able to handle. But here it is with the, I forgot the name of the wood, but I'll put it up on screen. It's just not coming to mind right now. And you still have some oil on here, which will dry up and it'll really make that wood pop. It does have some chatoyancy. It's just, it's hard to pick up in the camera. In the sunlight, it is very, very nice. But really pleased with it. It's a lot darker, but I think it looks really, really classy, like I said before. And really, really pleased with it. As always, you guys, let me know what you guys think down below, how this thing turned out. And again, apologies on not being able to get that footage for you guys of me doing it, or customizing the scales. But I'll make up for it on the next video. As always, you guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate the support. And as always, I will see you guys on the next one.